Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So as decided, we are going to start with the German grammar today. So I think we have learned this before, but again we will just revise it one more time, okay? We are going to revise the personal pronouns. Ich is I, du is you informal, er means he, es means it, sie means she, wir is we, ihr is you all, sie means they, and Z with capital S is you formal. Now comes the most discussed topic about German language. Conjugation of verb. Okay, so let's understand what the conjugation is. It is nothing but changing the verb according to the person. As I had mentioned in the earlier videos, if you try to compare German with English, you may find it difficult. But if you try to compare German language with the Indian regional languages, you will find many similarities. This is one of it. Okay, so 95% of German verbs end with en. En. Wohnen, which means to live. Kommen, which means to come. Kaufen means to buy. Verkaufen means to sell. Now, when we are going to learn the conjugation, there is one rule. You have to remove this en and then you have to add the endings according to the person. Okay, so guys, this is going to be really fun because by the end of this video, you will be able to make the German sentences. Let's see how. Let's see what all endings you have to add according to the person. Let's take the verb kommen for the example. Kommen means to come. Now, we are removing this en and adding endings according to the person. For ich, you add e. For du, you add st. For er, s, z, which is he, she, it, like the third person, you add t. For wir, we are adding en. For ihr, you add t. For z, you add en. And again for that z with capital S, you add en. Okay? So, ich komme, du kommst, sie kommt, wir kommen, ihr kommt, sie kommen. Now let's take an example. If I want to say I come from Delhi, it will be ich komme aus Delhi. Similarly, if I want to say we come from Delhi, I would say wir kommen aus Delhi. Can you see how easy it is to make sentences in German? Okay, now let's take another example. Wohnen, which means to live. Again, we are going to do the same thing. Remove en and then add endings according to the person. You know the endings very well. So, ich wohne, du wohnst, sie wohnt, wir wohnen, ihr wohnt, sie wohnen. Now I want to say I live in Mumbai. Ich wohne in Mumbai. He lives in Mumbai. Wohnt in Mumbai. So this entire thing is called as conjugation of verb, where you make changes in the verb according to the person. Now, there are still some verbs which are called as helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. In German, we call them modal verb, which actually have their own rules. Let's see them. There are two helping verbs you always need to remember. Sein, which means to be, and haben, which means to have. Sein. Sein means to be. Ich bin is I am. Du bist is you are. Es, sie ist. He, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you all are. Sie sind, they are or you are. Again, just like English, we cannot decide if I want to say I am or I is. We know that we are going to call I am. There is no such thing as I is or he are, right? So these are the helping verbs which run with their own rules. Similarly, let's see the another helping verb which is haben. Ich habe means I have. Du hast, which means you have. Sie hat is he, she, it has. Wir haben is we have. Ihr habt is you all have. Sie haben, they have or you have. To make sentences with these helping verbs is quite easy. Ich bin student, which means I am student. Wir sind in Mumbai is we are in Mumbai. Ich habe ein Handy, which means I have a mobile. By the way, Handy is mobile. Wir haben ein Haus is we have a house. Okay, so these were the two helping verbs which we are going to use again and again and again for the obvious reasons. Apart from that, we have learned the conjugation of verb. You may need to practice this again and again to master it. In the next video, we are going to see the further part of German grammar. So stay tuned, and guys, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.